Welcome back to channel. I was doing absolutely fine. So I started reading after a long time. For almost 3 to 4 months, I was not reading at all. But one of the biggest challenges which even I kind of faced is from navigating from your mobile phone and your Kindle device. And one of the best solution is just to send an email, which nobody or very less people are technically aware about. So I'll be just talking like how easily you can navigate between your device and between your phone, and how you can manage both of them. All you got to do is if you can click on the settings, like if you scroll down from here, you would get to see the all settings. Once you click on the all settings, you'll be able to get this page where you have to just go on your account, and at the very end part there will be an Kindle email address, like @kindle.com. All you've got to do is just download. Now currently the format which is supported on this specific like in this specific way is even movie, but you can even even if your book is in EPUB format, after August there is going to be an update. So till August, like exactly for this specific month, you can still send movie format, but after that you might have to send EPUB format. So all you got to do is just email EPUB format or movie format to this specific email address which your account should already be having. And once you just click on this synchronization option, your file would automatically be seen on your main library. And for example, if you have read almost 3 chapters on this device, and then if you want to hop on your phone, for example, because you cannot always keep carrying this phone, आप हर जगह लेके नहीं जा सकते, तो अगर आपको ये कंटिन्यू करना है आपके फ़ोन में, then all you've got to do is open your Kindle app on your phone, log in with your same account which you have logged in on your device, and when you open that book on your Kindle application, it will give you a kind of a notification that you had already read 3 chapters, and this is your location on which you had left from your book, and you can directly jump on that page, and it is as easy as that. So just to summarize, आपको खाली एक मेल करना है आपके खुद के ईमेल एड्रेस पे जो आपको सेटिंग्स से मिल जाएगा. तो सेटिंग्स में जाके आपको आपके अकाउंट पे जाना है. आपके अकाउंट में जाके एट द वेरी एंड ऑफ दिस पेज यू विल आपको आपका ईमेल एड्रेस मिल जाएगा, which is something @kindle.com, and all you got to do is आपको मूवी फॉर्मेट इस एटलीस्ट इस जुलाई के लिए, एंड आफ्टर जुलाई जो EPUB फॉर्मेट है वो आपको ईमेल करना है आपके ईमेल एड्रेस जो Kindle से लिंक्ड है, एंड खाली आपको सिंक्रोनाइज करना है, एंड you will be able to easily navigate between your Kindle device and your Kindle mobile application on your mobile phone. So that is it for a very quick trick which many people were not aware about, even not I was not aware about. So yeah, do let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and please subscribe to me if you haven't subscribed yet, and I'll be meeting you in the next video.